Hey, culinary wizards, ready to elevate your kitchen game? Whether you're balancing classes or late-night cramming, we've got the must-have gadgets that save time and sanity. From perfect coffee to tasty late-night snacks, let's dive into these must-haves that make cooking a breeze. Coffee maker. Kickstart your morning routine with a reliable coffee maker. Brew your favorite coffee in just minutes, perfect for those early classes. Sandwich maker. Say goodbye to boring lunches. The sandwich maker lets you whip up delicious, toasted sandwiches in no time. Ideal for a quick meal between studying. Egg separator. Perfect your culinary creations with an egg separator. Whether you're baking or cooking, it ensures you get the perfect yolk every time without the mess. Electric dough maker. Love baking, but hate the mess? The electric dough maker handles all your kneading and mixing, making fresh bread or pizza dough super simple. Lazy Man pan. Cooking made effortless. The Lazy Man pan is the ultimate tool for making delicious meals without all the fuss. Perfect for students who are short on time. Dezen Mini Portable Hot Pot. Cook and enjoy your favorite meals anywhere with the Dezen Mini Portable Hot Pot. Perfect for quick snacks or full meals. It's a game changer for busy students on the go. Chicken Shredder. Shred cooked chicken in seconds with a chicken shredder. It's a game changer for salads, tacos, and meal prepping. No more pulling at the meat with your hands. Food warming mat. No more cold meals. The food warming mat keeps your food hot until you're ready to eat, ensuring every bite is just as delicious as when it was cooked. Popcorn maker. Get your snack on with an easy-to-use popcorn maker. A fun and healthy way to enjoy movie nights or study breaks without the guilt. Cupcake maker. Unleash your inner baker. With a cupcake maker, you can whip up a batch of delicious cupcakes in just minutes. Perfect for celebrations or sweet cravings. Silicone sheet pan dividers. Maximize your baking space with silicone sheet pan dividers. They help you bake multiple treats at once without the flavors mixing. Ideal for busy students. 5-in-1 hand blender. Blend, chop, mix, and whisk with a powerful 5-in-1 hand blender. It's compact and versatile, perfect for smoothies, soups, and sauces in a flash. Electric lunchbox. Say goodbye to boring lunches. With an electric lunchbox, you can heat up home-cooked meals at school, ensuring you always have a warm, nutritious option. Omelet maker. Make breakfast a breeze with an omelet maker. In just a few minutes, you can enjoy a fluffy omelet packed with your favorite ingredients. Countertop dishwasher. No need to dread the dishes. A countertop dishwasher makes cleaning up after meals effortless, giving you more time to focus on your studies. Penguin tea timer. Never lose track of steeping time again with the adorable Penguin tea timer. It's not just cute, it ensures your perfect cup every time. Mini donut baker. Craving something sweet? The mini donut baker lets you whip up fresh, delicious donuts right in your kitchen. No frying needed. Compact multi-cooker. This compact multi-cooker is your all-in-one solution for quick meals, combining steaming, sautéing, and slow cooking in one handy device. Non-stick waffle maker. Start your mornings right with a non-stick waffle maker. Fluffy, golden waffles are just a pour away, and cleanup is a breeze. Electric hen-shape egg cooker. Cook your eggs in style with the electric hen-shape egg cooker. Perfectly boiled eggs every time, and it's a fun addition to your kitchen decor. Electric kettle. Boil water in minutes with the electric kettle. Ideal for tea, instant noodles, or coffee when you're in a rush or need a quick caffeine fix. Roti maker. Make perfectly round and soft rotis with ease using the roti maker. It's the secret to impressing friends with your culinary skills. Mixer. Grinder. Blend, grind, and mix like a pro with a mixer grinder. Perfect for smoothies, sauces, and everything in between, saving you precious time. Yogurt maker. Become your own yogurt artisan with the yogurt maker. Enjoy creamy, homemade yogurt tailored to your taste right in your kitchen. Oven toaster. An oven toaster is a game changer for quick meals and snacks, allowing you to bake, broil, and toast without the fuss. Hot dog steamer. Cook hot dogs perfectly every time with the hot dog steamer. A must-have for movie nights and study breaks. Microwave potato bag. Cook fluffy potatoes in minutes with a microwave potato bag. No more waiting long hours for perfectly baked spuds. All-in-one hot pot. Enjoy a hearty meal anytime with the all-in-one hot pot. Perfect for hot pot nights, soups and stews right at your table. Food dehydrator. Preserve your favorite fruits and snacks with the food dehydrator, giving you healthy munchies for studying or on the go. Electric crepe maker. Create delicious crepes with the electric crepe maker. Perfect for breakfast or dessert, tailored to your cravings. Electric toaster. Toast your bread to perfection with the electric toaster. Quick, efficient, and ready in seconds for those busy mornings. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Share your favorite gadgets in the comments.